Felix here, and while on the exercise mat this morning I came up with a important twist in the SoFi story. So I read a Bank of America research paper yesterday, and it basically went through the impact of student loans repayments resuming, saying that it's about 8% of the average household income, and it's about $390 a month, and all that kind of stuff, and how that affects companies. And they were essentially saying it's going to harm businesses that target middle and higher income people. Why? Because those are most likely to have gone to college and have more debt. It's just the truth. People who earn more money are more likely to have gone to college and therefore have more student loans, right? The low income tier basically doesn't go to college. But that's a good thing or bad thing we can talk about another time. So what does this actually mean? And they're going through like all the stocks that are hindered by this, and actually saying we like therefore the low income companies, your sort of dollar store type things. But what of course they missed out on, and most people seem to miss out on whether intentionally or not, is that SoFi's clients are the high income ones. Yeah, young high income ones, but still high income ones. And what that means is that SoFi is probably the only company out there actually going to benefit from the resumption of student loans. Because think about it, if you have to suddenly pay an extra $400 and maybe you're a little bit irresponsible with your income, and you've got loads of other repayment loans and stuff, then what a lot of people will do is they will stretch that payment over an extra couple of years and reduce it to say $200 or $250 or something. And it'll look to them, well, I've saved $150 a month. Of course, that's an incredibly irresponsible and moronic thing to do. It's good to refinance if you can lower your interest rate, but it's a really, really bad thing to refinance if it means you're going to pay more interest over a longer period of time, right? Yeah, less interest per month, but more interest over a longer period of time. So I'm trying to get this chap in the video, but I'm failing miserably, apparently. So what that therefore means is that people will do it. People will definitely do it. People always look for the easy way out, and the easy way out is to stretch your payments out. So when I watched Anthony Noto the other day on CNBC, and he was saying, if you pay more than X amount of interest, come to us, we give you a lower rate. And if you pay more than $350 a month or something, come to us, we'll stretch it out over a longer period of time. I don't like the sales pitch of the latter one, because I think it's incredibly irresponsible, but everybody is a free agent and everybody can make their own decisions on that. So that's not really for me to judge, but the offer is out there. But I think this is going to be a whopper. It's like $15.5 billion a month of interest payments that are coming up again. And SoFi, I think, is going to grab a really, really nice share of that. And I think, from my view, the numbers are going to start picking up in Q3, and then in Q4 we're going to start seeing the cross sales coming in as people get into that flywheel that is SoFi. So I think it's really exciting. Yeah, the stock's gone up a lot, so obviously always be cautious and careful with that. But I think as a long-term story, I like it a lot. That isn't financial advice or any of that. If you want to learn how to maybe trade that and how to set up a position that could have a higher outcome and a lower risk, then I think options is a brilliant way of doing it, but you have to know what you're doing. And for that reason, I'm running a completely free training next Wednesday, so check it out, felixfrenzer.org/webinar. It's a live trading training. We'll do some live trading together as well, and I'll walk you through exactly what my strategy is. I'm literally giving it away because I think you deserve to understand how bankers do it, how hedge funds do it. But there are only 1,000 spots, so they will run out, so don't hang around for too long. Thanks for watching, and thanks for smashing the subscribe button to stay up to date with SoFi here on the channel.